Hey everyone, welcome back. So it looks like someone out there is thinking about taking their research career to the next level.
Germany, to be exact.
Exactly. Specifically, the Research Explorer Ruhr program. And let me tell you, you've given us a gold mine of information to dig into. Official program documents, the whole 9 yards.
A treasure trove, really.
So let's dive in, shall we? What's the deal with this Research Explorer Ruhr program?
Well, at its core, it's a 2-week summer program held in Germany. But it's not just any summer program. It's for, the serious researchers.
Heavy hitters.
Yeah, the ones who are really looking to make a splash in their field, advanced doctoral researchers and recent postdocs, and people who are really, thinking about the next step.
Postdoc, here I come.
Exactly. And it's specifically designed for those who are interested in the Ruhr area as a potential research hub.
Okay, that makes sense. But 2 weeks, that doesn't seem like a lot of time to actually get into a research project. What gives?
That's where you might be mistaken. You see, those 2 weeks in Germany, that's just the tip of the iceberg.
Oh, there's more.
Way more. There are virtual exchanges with potential host researchers.
So it's all about building a connection even before you set foot in Germany.
Precisely. You're essentially laying the groundwork for a successful collaboration. By the time you arrive, you're already off to the races.
I'm starting to see why they call this program an Explorer. Okay, so you've got this connection, you've done your virtual dance, you land in Germany. Why the Ruhr area, specifically?
Oh, the Ruhr Area. This place is amazing. It's like a melting pot of cutting-edge research, a booming industrial sector, and a history of innovation that'll knock your socks off.
This is pretty impressive.
It is. The universities there, Bochum, Dortmund, and Duisburg-Essen, they're all part of the University Alliance Ruhr. These institutions are top-notch, especially in fields like engineering, natural sciences, even the humanities.
Oh, so we're not just talking about STEM fields here.
Not at all.
Now, something I noticed, the program is hosted by the Research Academy Ruhr. Does that make it, extra competitive to get into?
It definitely means that this program isn't messing around. Being part of the Research Academy Ruhr, well, it tells you that this program is well-funded, well-connected, and serious about fostering the next generation of brilliant minds.
But it's also a sign that they're really invested in the participants.
Precisely. Okay, so let's fast forward. You're one of the lucky few. You've been chosen. You've landed in Germany. What happens next?
The adventure begins.
It does. You're going to spend those 2 weeks fully immersed in the Ruhr research scene. Face-to-face meetings with your host researcher, exploring their labs and facilities. Think of it as a deep dive into your potential research project.
Hands-on experience, the best kind of learning. But I know there's another big component here, right? The funding proposal.
Ah, yes, the funding proposal. It's not just about doing the research, it's about making sure you can actually fund it. And that's where the program really shines.
They give you the tools to make it happen.
More than just tools. They have workshops on all those postdoc funding schemes in Germany. Things like, fellowships from the Alexander von Humboldt Foundation.
Big names.
Huge. Or the German Academic Exchange Service, the DIA. They want you to succeed. And that's not all. It's a chance to showcase your work, build those all-important connections, and really get a feel for the research landscape in Germany.
Okay, but let's be real for a second. This all sounds fantastic, but doing research, especially abroad, it can be expensive. What about travel and accommodation?
Covered.
Seriously.
Completely.
That is amazing, and it looks like their support is paying off, because their track record is impressive.
Oh, absolutely. Past participants have gone on to secure grants from some of the biggest names in the game. The Alexander von Humboldt Foundation, DAAD, even the European Commission.
So if you're serious about a research career, this program is like a rocket ship.
It's a launch pad for your career. You connect with potential supervisors, refine your research, and get a crash course in the German research system.
Plus, they hand you the keys to the funding kingdom. Not bad for a 2-week program, huh?
Not bad at all. Now, if you're listening to this and thinking, sign me up, you need to head over to their website. It's https://www.researchacademy-ruhr.deprogram-research-explorer.
Write that down, folks.
You'll find everything you need there. Plus, you can even reach out to their contact person, Dr. Jürgen Benzinger, if you have any questions.
He's got all the answers. Now, before we wrap things up, I want you to close your eyes for just a second. Imagine yourself there, presenting your research in Germany, collaborating with leading researchers, maybe even securing a postdoc position.
It could be life-changing.
Exactly. So, what are you waiting for? Go explore those possibilities. We hope this deep dive has been helpful, and we wish you the very best of luck with your application.
Good luck.
Until next time.